Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OPPO F27. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Now you can click open and then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now. Now click open permissions and then select AI assistant and select always. Now you can go back and click start. And as you can see right here there's my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.